Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 4 for the both sides to cancel about the root. So this one we have e to the power of s plus 1. We know that this one that's about e to the power of s and e to the power of s, because we still have e to the power of s in here. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 4. We have for u to the power of 3 du. This one that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. First derivative of e to the power of s. We have e to the power of s ds. So this one we change by u. E to the power of s we change by this one. E to the power of s ds we change by this one. So for u to the power of 3 divided by u, we have for u squared in here. Number 4 we put outside. U squared multiplied by u to the power of 4 and number 1. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c, that's about the constant. So we can apply the formula in here and here. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.